Last night's snowfall accumulated around 2 to 5 at the very most. I think on average it was more around 2 to 4. And now behind this system is a drastic drop in temperatures. A little lingering snowfall, but this shouldn't be impacting the commute. We'll check in with Jackie to make sure. But at this point in the morning, the only additional snowfall would be 42 on 71 as well as on 250. But when you see that white color right there zoomed in for us in Ashland County, it's not a problem. Yesterday's snow in Cleveland resulted in 4 inches and 4/10. Akron at 2 inches. That puts us at 13 inches for the month of February already. Akron coming in at almost 8 inches. That's almost 50 inches so far for Cleveland this snowy season. Akron at almost 38. Time now to talk morning temperatures. A drastic drop-off, a painful drop-off for us this morning, whereas yesterday it was a little more comfortable when venturing out. Here this morning, you are going to need those extra layers again. It's going to be quite painful for the kids if they don't have their mouths covered as well. As we start out in the teens, factoring in winds that are as high as 14 miles per hour for Cleveland, and it feels like we're at 2 below already in Cleveland. 7 below, though, in Elyria. That is the coldest. Lorain County, 0 in Youngstown and Ashtabula, feeling like 5 below in Mansfield. We expect those temperatures to remain very cold throughout the day today. Your high only 11. At least there's some beautiful sunshine to help get you going through your Thursday. Tonight's low 6 degrees. I think some of us will be more like 2 to 6. As we lose those extra thick clouds. Your Power of 5 7-day forecast showing 11 today, 27 tomorrow. Snow chances still predicted for the weekend, but because of Saturday's warm-up, there's the potential that we could actually see a little bit of a mix as we find that transition happen. For the most part, though, it'll be snow, and then snow remains in place for Sunday. Sunday's a better day to actually see some accumulating snowfall as it starts to fade on Monday. But you can always be prepared for winter weather, though we're getting a break right now. We want you to have our Storm Shield app. It alerts you when watches and warnings have been issued. It's now only $2.99. It is more than worth it. You can